Namaste. In the last 3 videos, we looked at 3 specific excuses that hold us back from our yoga practice or accomplishing other goals. But what if you're still struggling to break your patterns and overcome your excuses? I have a simple tip for you. It's called the 5-second rule. When you have an impulse to act on a goal, you must physically move within 5 seconds, or else your brain will kill the idea. I'll say it again. When you have an impulse to act on a goal, you must physically move within 5 seconds, or else your brain will kill the idea. First, let's understand what is meant by the word impulse here. We're not talking about the impulse you get when the alarm goes off in the morning and you just want to hit snooze over and over to stay in bed. Quite the opposite. We're talking about an impulse that is tied to a goal. This feeling or knowing that you should do something because it's good for you and it's in alignment with what you really want to achieve. And if you pay close attention, you'll find that you have many of these impulses or urges throughout the day. To practice yoga, to exercise, to cook at home instead of getting takeout, to raise your hand in your next work meeting and propose your idea, to be brave and ask someone out. But what happens when we have these impulses? Often we don't act on them. Instead, we go into thinking mode. We go into the mind, into overthinking. And we come up with all these excuses. We think, what if my idea is not that good? What if my boss won't like it? Or what if that person rejects me? I don't think I could handle that. Or yoga is kind of hard. Probably I'll get sweaty and then I have to shower. Maybe I should do it later. And so on, and so on. Within just a few seconds, the brain has come up with a bunch of worries, doubts, excuses, and it has killed the idea. Your brain is designed to keep you safe. It is designed to protect you. That is one of its most basic tasks. And in that way, it often acts like an overprotective parent. It thinks that it's keeping you safe, when in fact it is holding you back and keeping you from growing and experiencing life in a different, better way. Because you know that it's not dangerous to go to the gym or to introduce yourself to someone at a party, but your brain doesn't know the difference. So whenever you have this impulse to do something outside of your usual routine, and then you stop and you hesitate, your brain starts going into overdrive, trying to protect you. How does it do that? By coming up with excuses that stop you from stepping outside of your comfort zone. So how can you outsmart your brain and overcome these excuses? With the 5-second rule. Whenever you have this impulse, this urge, for example, maybe I should practice some yoga right now. And you feel this hesitation coming up. You can feel that your brain is already working hard to find excuses as to why you should not practice yoga. You start counting down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. This counting is going to distract you from all the thoughts, worries, and objections in your mind, and it helps you focus on your goal, on the outcome you want to achieve. And as soon as you hit 1, you want to get up and physically move towards your goal. So in the instance of practicing yoga, you want to get up and roll out your yoga mat and begin your practice. This is how you can push yourself to do the things that are a little bit uncomfortable, a little bit difficult. simply by counting down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. I hope you found this video helpful and that you'll give the 5-second rule a try. It is so simple, but it can be so powerful in transforming hesitation into action. I will see you again tomorrow. Until then, enjoy your yoga practice today.